Hi Stags! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are finally doing our brow routine video or my brow routine video kasi lagi ko na ini-skip on my makeup tutorials. So I hope that you would like this video kasi I tried to make it short, precise, and clear as possible. At I have also used products that I have bought from the drugstores. So they are really affordable and yet they are very high quality or talagang they does the job. So ayun, kung gusto nyong malaman kung paano ko ba ginagawa yung brow routine ko, let's now hop into the video. Okay, so naglagay lang ako ng konting foundation or yung foundation routine ko and I put on a little bit of lipstick para lang magkaroon ako ng kulay while I'm doing this tutorial. At ngayon, let's start. Okay, so we're only going to need two products. So this one is from Maybelline and this one is from Detail Makeover. So the first one is this from Detail Makeover. This is the Make It Pro Starter Pen and this is in the shade Ash Gray. So I love this pen so much kasi it's retractable. So ibig sabihin hindi ko na kailangang mamroblema ng pagkatasa. And it also includes a spoolie on itself na. So ibig sabihin talagang on the go, even at home, sobrang helpful niya. So, the next product is this one from Maybelline. So, this is their Fashion Brow Color Matcher in the shade Dark Brown. So, this is a mascara or eyebrow mascara. I love this one kasi meron siyang kakaibang wand. At yung wand niya, kung makikita nyo, meron siyang parang ball-like wand sa dulo, which is really helpful para dun sa mga parts ng brows ko na hindi madaling ma-reach. At saka, besides, pag ginagamit ko to, hindi siya kumakalat sa mismong skin na kinakapitan ng brows ko. Parang gano'n, kung naiintindihan nyo yung explanation ko. Okay, so I have zoomed you guys in para makita nyo talaga yung gagawin ko. And as you can see, this is my natural brows. Sobrang hindi ko maintindihan. Para siyang putol na kalbo. So, hindi ito yung natural shape ng brows ko. Ever since nung bata ako, mas kalat siya. So, tinry ko siyang i-shape in this desired shape para pag naggagawa ako ng brows ko or pag nagdodrawing ako ng brows ko, match siya, ganon. So, I'm just brushing off the hairs on my brows. Ayan, para mawala rin yung excess foundation dun sa hairs. Okay, so now I'm getting the Detail Makeover Make It Pro Starter Pen. I think mabibili mo tong product na to for only 169 pesos sa mga nearest drugstores. Ayun. So, first na ginagawa ko ay naglaline ako starting from here. Tapos, hindi ko siya nilalagay dun talagang medyo lampas dun sa hairs ng brows ko. Rather, dito ako mag-start sa medyo malapit pero inside pa rin nung lining ng brows ko. So, ang ginagawa ko lang ay sinusunod ko lang yung natural lining ng brow hanggang sa dulo. Tapos, tinatry ko siya medyo extend ng konti lang. And the next one ay sa taas naman. So, pag sa taas, nag-start ako dito or yung medyo malayo. Parang kung nakikita nyo, dito ako nag-start nung sa baba. And then, dito naman ako mag-start na para sa taas. Meron pa akong pimple. Kung makapansin niyo guys, hindi rin ako naglaline ng brows na lampas dun sa mismong hairline ng brows ko ngayon. Instead, nilalagay ko siya as exact dun sa last na strand of hair na meron ako. That way, magmumukhang fini-fill in ko siya pero sineshape ko siya at the same time. So ngayon, ibe-blend in ko lang yung product na nilagay ko. Yung blending ko ay first muna ay dito sa insides. And then, after that, yung excess na lang na nakuha niya sa pag-blend dito, gagamitin ko siya dito sa may more inner part. Ayan. So, itong hindi ko nilagyan. Para lang medyo merong gradient shading na mangyayari sa kanya. Ba't namumula? Tapos, syempre, pag nagbe-blend in ka or nagbe-blend out ka ng mga products, nakikita nyo nagkakaroon pa rin siya ng sparse area. So, yung mga sparse areas na yan, gino-go through ko siya ulit with a pencil, tapos light-handed lang. Okay, so when it comes to my everyday, kahit hindi siya ganong ka-on-flick or ganong katusok yung dulo, okay na sa akin yan. Hinahayaan ko na lang. Pero, you have a choice kung gusto mo siyang mas on-flick. You can get a cotton buds. Ayan. Tapos, i-shape mo lang siya on your desire. Ayan. So, para ki-clean mo lang yung edges niya. So, the next step is blending in the brow hairs to the brow product. So, that's when this Maybelline Brow Mascara kicks in. So, ito ay ginagamit para nga, ayun, mag-match yung brow hair mo dun sa brow pen na ginamit mo. I know it makes sense naman siguro. Pero kung makikita nyo guys, hindi naman ganong kalayo yung kulay nung brow hair ko dun sa brow product na ginamit ko kasi since ang ginamit ko ay ash gray, or talagang almost black, ganon. So, I also just used this product from Maybelline just to set the brow hairs in place. So, ang ginagamit ko dito mostly ay yung parang ball part niya, ganyan. So, sobrang ganda rin gamitin ng product na to when it comes to bushy brows. Ayan. Para nilalagay ko lang yung unahan na parang medyo mataas para medyo mas mukha siya natural pero shaped. Okay, so here you can see my brows without any product on. And this one, which is already done. So, ayan. Ngayon gagawin ko lang itong other brows ko and I'll be back. Okay, guys. So, ngayon ginawa ko lang yung go-to makeup ko for today since I am going outside or may pupuntahan ako after this video. So, sana nagustuhan nyo itong video na to at naging short, precise, and clear itong tutorial na to. At kung nagustuhan nyo itong tutorial na to, then please give this video a thumbs up. At kung meron ka mga suggestions ng ibang parts or certain part ng pag-makeup or doing your makeup and you want me to make a thorough tutorial for it, then i-comment mo lang below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!